This red masking tape is a cheap masking tape that I use for purposes just like this. I'm using it as a guide for my fine line tape. I used to be able to lay patterns out like this by eye, but due to tunnel vision, I can no longer do that, and so I have to set up a pattern first to follow. Here I'm going to use my paint stick to determine the distance from the front of the hood for the outer edge of the stripe. And I'm making a stripe here that's kind of a offshoot of the Yanko stripe that would be on the late 60s and early 70s GM cars that Yanko customized. So you can get the idea of what I'm doing there. Now I'm going to speed it up and let you all just see for yourself how this process goes. Please touch my like thingy and subscribe, damn it.